Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the classic macaroni and cheese. For our macaroni and cheese, you're going to need our white sauce, our cheddar, then this is the pasta which we're going to use, which is macaroni, healthy macaroni, salt and pepper to taste. So for our macaroni and cheese, first we got to boil our water, and for our macaroni, just follow the cooking instructions for the macaroni. Okay, so make sure you stir your macaroni really well so it's cooking everywhere really well. Now, for all those people who have subscribed to our channel, the Topper Chef channel, I welcome you all. And of course, also check us out on our blog, which is the topperchef.com blog. Okay, so while my macaroni is cooking, I'm going to make my macaroni sauce, which I have our white sauce. I have it on the medium flame, and so let it come to a boil, and to this I'm going to add my cheese to it. As you can see, my sauce is simmering. To this I add my cheese. Now remember, whisk it really nice, don't let it stick, and all the measurements for this creamy cheesy sauce is in the description box below. And of course you have the white sauce also on our channel. Okay, so we whisk this really well, all the cheese is melted, and this sauce is done. Okay, so now my pasta is already drained. We kept it for some time till it was already cooked. Now all I'm doing is putting my sauce into this and just gently mix it and cook it. Thicken it up a little bit, and it should be done in probably 2-3 minutes. Okay, so now sauce has come to a simmer, so I'm going to add some pepper. There's already enough salt in the cheese, so you don't want to add more salt. And just stir it, and we're ready to serve, and it's ready. There you are, nice and creamy macaroni and cheese. Okay, so this is what I'm going to serve it with. Ooh, creamy sauce. Top it with nice parsley. Voila, your macaroni and cheese is ready. Enjoy!